Hello guys! Today's video is based on the best 5 hoverboards for beginners in 2021. Based on extensive authentic research and testing, we put together a list of 5 different options that can be in need of different buyers. So whether it's price, performance, and other factors, we will discuss all the details related to these top 5 hoverboards. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So, without any further delay, let's get started with this exciting topic. Here is the list of the best 5 hoverboards we are going to discuss. Let us discuss them in detail for giving you a worthy review guide, so you can buy the most accurate and appropriate hoverboards for yourself. Let's talk on the 5th hoverboard. 5. Swagtron Tate 182 Hoverboard. Here comes the impressive-looking Swagtron Tate 182 Hoverboard. With its innovative battery technology, unlike your typical electric self-balancing scooter, this thing features a lithium-free battery for enhanced safety, Bluetooth-enabled and immensely powerful. And the Swagtron Hoverboard Tate 182 remains a phenomenal success story online. You will see immense visual appeal. It is another ideal board for beginners. Features of Swagtron Tate 182 Hoverboard. Choose from a variety of designs with unique LED configurations. Full UL 2272 certification for total peace of mind and advanced lithium-free battery technology. Decent top speed of 7 and a range of approximately 7 miles, which is spot on in both instances. Charging times average approximately 5.5 hours, which admittedly is a little long to wait around. The dual 250W motor provides more than enough power to carry adults and kids up to 107 tips. Impressively, the Swagtron Tate 182 Hoverboard makes light work of inclines as steep as third-eyed way more than most boards. Every purchase is covered by an extensive warranty for total peace of mind and dedicated aftercare from Swagtron. Verdict: you know what you're getting with a brand like Swagtron, a product of pure quality. The Swagtron Tate 182 is no exception to the rule, which delivers above-average performance. It's great for beginners and can comfortably carry adults up to 107 tips, along with kids of all ages. In terms of top speed, range, safety, stability, and appearance, all are absolutely on spot. The battery takes a little too long to charge, but it's one of the safest hoverboard batteries out there. Hence, it's a small price to pay for the added safety and reassurance of lithium-free technology. Benefits of having Swagtron 182 Hoverboard. Advanced lithium-free battery. Top speed of around 7 mph. The maximum range of 7 miles per charge. Extremely safe and stable to ride. Perfect for newcomers. Unique LED designs and configurations. Solid overall value for money. Before moving to the next product, do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Let's talk on the 4th hoverboard. 4. Flymota Hoverboard. This is another fantastic hoverboard for beginners that seems to have been around forever. The Felimoda Hoverboard is a UL 2272 certified, Bluetooth-enabled board for beginners at a rock-bottom price. Though designed primarily for kids and beginners, features of Flymota Hoverboard. The Felimoda self-balancing hoverboard is fully UL 2272 safety certified for total peace of mind. The 300W brushless motors under the hood are suitable for a top speed of 9 and have awe-inspiring performance. Great for adults and kids alike. The board's maximum weight limit is a hefty 206 tips. There are dozens of colors and designs to choose from, with or without a Bluetooth speaker is preferred. Every Felimoda hoverboard ship is complete with a convenient carry bag for easy transportation and storage. A single charge is suitable for a range of up to 7.5 miles, with an approximate charging time of 3 hours. Felimoda is renowned for the quality of its customer care and support, which is always reassuring. All purchases are also covered by an extensive warranty, and just in case something goes wrong along the way. Verdict: we honestly cannot think of enough positive things to say about the Felimoda Hoverboard. When you consider the price it's selling for, it's almost too good to be true. Though having piloted this board personally, we can confirm it's the real deal. Fast, powerful, safe, stable, versatile, enjoyable, and entertaining. All with the bonus of a rock-bottom price tag. An excellent board for beginners and one that can comfortably accommodate kids and adults alike. Benefits of Flymota Hoverboard. Maximum weight limit of 206 tips. Premium quality brushless motors. Top speed of up to 9. Excellent range and battery life. Solid, safe, and stable underfoot. Convenient carry bag included. Exceptional overall value for money. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Now the best third hoverboard. 3. Spadger G1 Pro Hoverboard. Super premium in every way. It's one of the most sophisticated boards of its kind on the market right now. It's perfectly suitable for beginners, but could be a little too much for younger kids to handle. The Spadger G1 Pro Hoverboard is something of a standout in this list due to its phenomenal performance. This thing has a monstrous top speed of around 10 mph and a maximum weight capacity of 206 tons. Its 8.5-inch tires are great for traversing rougher terrain, while the premium aluminum frame delivers total durability. There's a full 700 W of pulling power under the hood, making moderate inclines a breeze to climb. As a bonus, it's also one of the most beautifully designed hoverboards you'll ever lay eyes on. If looking for something a little more thrilling than the norm, look no further than the Spadger G1. Features of Spadger G1 Pro Hoverboard. Dual 350 W motor under the hood for a total combined power output of 700 W. A seriously powerful and uncompromising board for discerning riders. The Spadger G1 Pro Hoverboard has an impressive top speed of 9.5, way faster than most comparable boards. Oversized tires allow the scooter to be used on a variety of off-road surfaces for added versatility. Suitable for adults and kids alike, the Spadger G1 has a maximum rider weight capacity of 206 tons. Every board is extensively safety tested and UL 2272 certified for total peace of mind. The inbuilt Bluetooth speaker is also way louder and a higher quality than most comparable speakers. Fantastic exterior styling and plenty of LED for an even more eye-catching aesthetic. It comes complete with an exclusive smart app that can control a variety of features and functions. Verdict: it is just the thing for beginners looking for a seriously thrilling and enjoyable ride. The Spadger G1 delivers one of the most exciting rides of any self-balancing scooter available right now. Immensely powerful, exceptionally fast, and beautifully put together. It's a cut above the average in every way. It's also an absolute steal at its current price, considering what you get in return for your money. Advantages: huge top speed of 10, great battery life and range, safe and stable on all types of terrain, beautifully designed exterior, maximum weight capacity of 206 tons, fantastic built-in speaker, unbeatable value for money. Do like, comment, and share this video. Also, thumbs up to the bell icon for future notifications. Even the second hoverboard. 2. Flying Ant 6.5-inch Hoverboard. This is a board that takes things to extremes when it comes to presentation. The Flying Ant 6.5-inch Hoverboard is an imposing device to look at, which also delivers top performance, with an impressive weight limit of 200 tons. The Flying Ant Hoverboard 6.5 is suitable for adults and kids alike. Like its counterpart above, it was designed more with safety and stability in mind than speed. Stylish, durable, and UL 2272 safety certified. It's all you need from an introductory board at an unbeatable price. One that's currently up for grabs for next to nothing and available in a massive array of cool colors. Features of Flying Ant 6.5-inch Hoverboard. Every Flying Ant hoverboard is extensively safety tested and UL 2272 certified for total peace of mind. The latest self-balancing technology has been used to deliver an exceptionally smooth and stable ride, perfect for kids and adults alike, with a maximum weight limit of 200 tons and plenty of power under the hood. Charging times average around 3 to 5 hours, after which the board's maximum range is 6 miles. The top speed has been limited to a manageable 6 mph, which is just about perfect for beginners. Futuristic LED are embedded in the board for a seriously attractive appearance and enhanced visibility at night. There's also a Bluetooth speaker built into the deck, which lets you play your favorite tunes when out and about. The board itself weighs just under 20 tons, which is about the norm for a quality self-balancing scooter. Verdict: great for beginners, it's perfectly capable of carrying kids and heavier adult riders alike. It looks the part, it's built to last, and the Bluetooth speaker is superb. All purchases are covered by an extensive warranty for total peace of mind. As an added bonus, if you're simply looking to cover the basics as a newcomer, you won't go wrong with the Flying Ant. Advantages: extremely stable and easy to ride. Rugged and durable construction. Maximum weight capacity of 200 tons. Sensible top speed of 6. Reasonable range of 6 miles. Quality Bluetooth speaker. Superb overall value for money. Before moving to our best product of the day, do like, share, and comment on this video. The last one hoverboard. 1. Sissygat Hoverboard. It is a well-designed 6.5-inch self-balancing scooter with Bluetooth connectivity and an extensive warranty. Colorful LED and a weight limit of 200 add up to the perfect package for newcomers, kids, and adults alike. The Sissygat Hoverboard has been around for some time now and remains a firm favorite worldwide. It also comes in an extensive range of cool colors, each with a Bluetooth speaker built into the deck. Currently up for grabs at its lowest ever price. It's well worth checking out as an affordable entry-level option. Features of Sissygat Hoverboards. The Sisi Gad Hoverboard comes backed by an extensive warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Charging times vary from around 3 to 5 hours, after which the battery provides around 30 minutes of ride time. According to the manufacturer, the Sissygat Hoverboard has an impressive maximum weight capacity of 200 ohms. The powerful motors can deal with inclines of 10 deg and guarantee a smooth and stable ride. Every board features a Bluetooth speaker built into the deck for added entertainment on the go. Super bright LED make for an eye-catching appearance and boost visibility in darker riding conditions. It's also a comparatively lightweight self-balancing scooter, making it easy to transport and carry when not in use. All boards from this manufacturer feature UL 2272 safety certification for total peace of mind. Verdict: the Sissygat Hoverboard has always been a safe bet as an entry-level 6.5-inch scooter for all ages. With its modest maximum speed and super safe lithium-ion battery, it makes a great entry point for newcomers. It may look like it was designed, but it's perfectly capable of carrying up to 200 ohms with ease. A firm contender for the title of Best Hoverboard for Beginners within its price bracket. Advantages of Sissygat Hoverboard. Suitable for adults and kids alike. Surprisingly powerful performance. Moderate top speed and range. Very smooth and stable to ride. UL 2272 safety certification. Built-in Bluetooth speaker. Outstanding value for money. All of these hoverboards are the best on their own. But if we talk about the best two of them, then, according to our research and recommendations, Sissygat Hoverboard and Spadger Gun Pro Hoverboards are the best options. Both of them are affordable to good for beginners and easy to carry for any age. Both of them have advanced and interesting features which are needed at this time. We hope you like this interesting video. If yes, then do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel.